This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling SSH inside Hostinger's control panel. This allows remote shell access. Once done, copy the host, port, and username values to your notes and decide whether you'll use a password or an SSH key. If using a key, upload the public key now and keep the private key local. Then open your terminal application. On Mac OS or Linux, use SSH. On Windows, use PowerShell or poo-tty. This gets you from 0 to the first actionable connection, step quickly. You'll authenticate next. Run SSH user at host P port or load a saved session in poo-tty. If you use an SSH key, add it to SSH agent or Pagent so you don't retype passphrases constantly. This improves security and convenience. Once connected, elevate with sudo for administrative tasks rather than logging in as root, because that reduces risk. Make sure to verify the host fingerprint on first connect, so you confirm you're reaching your server and not an imposter machine. You finish by running your deployment, maintenance, or monitoring commands and transfer files with SCP or rsync as needed. Once done, close sessions cleanly to protect keys and processes. If you automate, add entries to // /config for shortcuts and set server alive interval to prevent idle drops. If something goes wrong, check the port, firewall rules, username, and host fingerprint first. Often a mismatch or blocked port is the culprit. Finally, rotate keys periodically and keep back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.